el final es épico.
There's supposed to be a hole here. There's no hole. So I was like, oh, maybe I put it on the wrong side. No. It's welded on wrong. The hole's on this side in here, right here. So I gotta drill my own hole here now. Cool.